Cause I'm a lonely man. My love for you is strong. Could never do you wrong. Together we belong. You are my future plan. God greatest gift to man. One in a million.
Dreaming of you every night. Every time I close my eyes. Dreaming of you in my life. Beating for you all the time. I'm dreaming of you every night. Every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming of you.
What's up, guys?
It's your girl Abby,
Capo here.
and today, guys, we will be doing one more DIY for you guys. Tell them what the DIY.
Alright, so today we're gonna making our very own gumball machine.
Yes, guys, gumball machine.
Very simple.
Yes.
So it's on mini gear.
Yes, and also a lot of people been doing this, so we said, why not do this for you guys? Again, so
It's gonna be a very fun video.
yes.
We're gonna watch the video because, as I said, we have never done this before.
Yeah, it's our first attempt, always our first attempt. So I hope you guys hope it comes out perfect.
Or even close to perfect. We just want to make sure when we do it, we get a gumball to eat out of the machine.
Yeah.
That's the aim.
Yes, that's the aim.
Alright? Okay.
So guys, just stay tuned, hit like button, subscribe if you're new, and leave a comment down below.
So now let's flick into the video.
Yeah, I'm gonna click in on the video.
Alright guys, so first thing we're gonna do is to glue our stuff together. What can I call this?
This is the I don't know, but we will show you guys the measurement as we go along. So this is 8 centimeter sideways, 8 centimeter there.
Yeah, it's square.
So we're gonna glue all these together right now. So take up the glue gun. The next step is we're gonna glue these two sides. So you have 2.5 centimeter go across and 16 centimeter goes down. So we're gonna glue them to the side of the 8 centimeter.
Let's do this. You can manage? As I said, they're not professionals in this. First time doing it.
Yes, it's our first attempt. And kids, do not do this without adult supervision.
Glue gun very dangerous, so make sure your mama is there.
Or your papa.
Or your brother.
Or your sister.
Or your auntie. Or your grandfather. Or anybody.
Anyone.
Oh, make sure you have gloves too, right?
Unless you have one like a cloth gloves looking
them
thing.
mason type of gloves, the construction gloves.
So this one trim up.
Alright, so finished gluing this part together.
Yes.
So now we're gonna glue the face.
This is the front part of the machine, and this is the bottom part.
So
the front part is measuring, well, that is
10 centimeters and
10 centimeter across and 15 centimeter goes down.
And this is 4 centimeters to this angle and 3 to this side. 12 and then 10 across.
And guys, as you can see, we already made like the design thingy, so we don't have to be, you know, stretching out the video. So let's get into it. So what we're gonna do is glue the bottom part of the front. And then we're gonna place it right here. I hope you all seeing this. Move your phone, my hair black there or something. So guys, how is it coming along? We're liking it already. So next, what's next?
Alright, so after that part, now we're going to do we're gonna add something. Now wait. Oh, that already. So on the right track.
Oh guys, we already add the plastic bag. Is that the plastic bag we add? Yeah,
so you guys can see the gumball when they're in the machine. You understand?
So right now we're gonna do the sides.
15 centimeters long and 7 centimeters wide.
Okay.
So that's the width and the length is 15. Alright, so
yeah, so now we're just gonna see.
Yeah, just add the sides.
So guys, we're gonna add the sides. Okay guys, so moving on, we have like 4 of these sticks. Well, 4 of these little small sticks. Look at it from like this way you use to clean out the thing. So now we're gonna place the elastic band on it, like so.
And we're gonna glue it
And now we're going to glue it and put it right here.
Just make like a spring for the glue.
So to make it easier for us, we're going to turn this. We have to need to turn it.
So give us a second.
Okay guys, so I have to take it out and do it. This thing is really serious. I have to be very careful using glue gun. Oh.
Every time?
That was it. I. So now guys, we're just gonna let it dry.
In a few minutes it should be alright.
We're gonna let it dry. So as you can see, we're almost finished. Easy little DIY, fun to do at home. But you have to be careful with the glue gun because this is very serious.
This shit hurts really bad. But you looking constructive and stuff.
And like you looking so lazy and stuff.
I'm learning.
You're learning. You're learning from the pro.
We'll know if you're a pro when I'm finished.
Okay guys, so
yes. Pro, get burned.
Oh.
The elastic them not 100%.
The elastic bands are slack like
and I'm rotten.
they're rotten.
So there you go.
So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna use this 9.2 centimeter and 10.5 and we're gonna attach it inside here. That's it guys. So right now we're just gonna glue on the inside, but we have to turn it too. Always. Okay guys, so we're just letting it dry. So guys, next what I did was to push the stick in here.
There?
So what we did was to attach the elastic band to the stick that we placed outside, you know. Hope you guys can see.
This is stressing me out.
We're gonna do the 3 centimeters across and 7 centimeters down. Right here, we're gonna place it right here. But as we said before, we have to turn it to make it more easier for us. So we're gonna glue here. And then we're gonna glue the end of here, and Kepa not helping me as usual. Then we're just gonna press it. So next we're gonna add these. It's a triangle things.
You're gonna act like a little funnel. Channel the gumball to the exit point.
As I say, so what we're gonna do to add the triangles like this, so put the pointed part in the corner like this. Like so.
Alright, going to do
that thing is like this.
I know what we're gonna do now. Oh, let's test one of the gumball.
Like this guys.
So eat today.
Don't.
My turn.
Okay. So guys, we're gonna add the back part to it. No. Oh, it's just equal. Start from the bottom.
Starting from the bottom now, we're here. Starting from the bottom now, the whole. Well done. So now we're on the final lap. Almost there.
Now we're gonna add the what? Why not? Oh, the top part of it. Okay guys, so while Kepo is making the correct measurements to the top, what I'm going to do now is to glue like the 2.5 centimeter across, 9 centimeters go down, and it's 3 of them. So I'm just gonna glue them together. So it will be like this. And careful, where's the thing that I asked you for? Okay guys, and this now, I'm supposed to add it right here. I have to spin it around. So this is where when the gumball comes out, it doesn't run right on the floor, it just runs and stuff right here. So what I'm gonna do now is to trim it up with the scissors. So I'm just cutting off these
nuts.
Can't say nuts when kids are watching. Okay, time for the trim. And here, as you can see, my push. So I'm gonna just see the place this here after the top go on, and then we're just gonna push this shit. I know you guys are seeing the movements inside.
I'm gonna try again.
Okay. Okay guys, so
woo! Finally,
now we're just gonna glue.
Finalmente. Okay, I think I'm almost finished. We are. Oh
no. Now we're just gonna glue the push button.
Oh, cool.
So we're gonna glue it up here. Go over there, careful. Stop doing so now. That's not how you do it. Stop. Mess up. Then we're gonna place it. I'm just gonna glue back this around the mouth area.
This has been some hard work.
Oh, to top it off, this is a girl. So guys, come, time for the truth, guys.
Did I show them in there?
Yes.
Guess what color? Green. What?
Okay,
no, blue.
Hey.
And now, for the moment, the truth. Let's pray.
Come, we're gonna do this together. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so now our second attempt.
Sorry about the first attempt, guys.
Hope this one works.
So. Guys, you have to push and lean. Push and lean. There. Yeah, go on,
Yo! Hard,
but it was worth it for you guys.
And just because of that token of appreciation, free Gumball and us sketch.
Okay guys, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give
watch that. You see that?
Give us a like, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new.
Check this again, people.
And leave a
Check
comment.
this again. Abby, look.
Leave a comment, guys. This was fun. You guys should try this at home. Remember, what you can do is DM us. You can try it and DM us on Instagram at Abby Attles, or I am Cappuccino, or a couple page Abby_Capo.
Wow. One more, press it again, Abby. One more time. See it there? Check it again. Yeah, one more there.
I'm pink. Guys,
that's it. We did it.